Dear children,
Good morning, ma'am.
louder.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
The last class we have discussed about major crops. Under major crops, fiber crops. Main fiber crops, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, can you give a brief summary of last class?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I couldn't join the last class.
Who?
Ma'am, Ashmit, I couldn't
Ashmit,
join
what
the last
happened?
class.
What happened?
I don't know, I tried, but I couldn't join. Maybe some internet problem or something.
Okay, it's okay. Then just listen. Summary of the last class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, you can contact me later or otherwise you can ask me now. And who will give a brief summary of last class?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes. Start. I heard so many ma'am, but
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Major crops.
yes.
Ma'am, a large variety of crops are grown to meet the needs of growing population.
Yes.
Then there are three types of crops.
Yes.
Fiber crop, beverage crop, and food crops.
Yes.
Rice, wheat, millet, and millet are different types of food crops.
Crops, yes.
Then coffee and tea are the beverage crops.
Yes.
Jute and fiber, fabric crops.
Okay, dear. Thank you. Very good, Varadam. Then next we are going to discuss major fiber crops, right? Major fiber crops, cotton. Do we discuss?
Yes, ma'am. Cotton we finished.
I'm totally
Have
finished.
discussed.
Yes,
Did we
ma'am.
discuss this topic, cotton?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then under cotton, we know climate, right? Climate required for the high temperature,
Light rainfall,
then
bright sunshine,
bright
sunshine,
for its
For its growth.
Right sunshine
then
for
black
growth.
and
and
alluvial.
alluvial soil.
Oils.
The leading producers are
China,
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 USA,
USA,
Pakistan, India, Brazil, and
Pakistan,
Egypt.
Brazil, and Egypt.
leading producers.
next fiber croppers.
Jute,
Jute.
Next fiber croppers.
jute,
Then jute is known as golden fiber. Why it is called golden fiber?
Ma'am, the color is
It is
golden,
golden color.
golden color.
Because its products of jute is little bit costly compared with cotton products. It's expensive. It is costly. Jute products are costly.
Yes.
Golden fiber. It's also called golden fiber. Then what about temperature? What about
high
climate?
temperature,
High temperature.
High temperature,
heavy
heavy
rainfall,
rainfall,
Rainfall and humidity.
humid climate.
High
Humid
hot climate, right? It is a hot climate. Then the crop is what about soil? Alluvial
Alluvial soil,
soil. Then it's grown in tropical areas.
tropical areas.
What's special about tropical areas?
Ma'am, heavy rainfall
Heavy rainfall and
Near to the
near to the equator.
high temperature,
yeah. What is this tropical area? You have learned one more name for tropical
Evergreen.
This evergreen.
forest, right?
Yes.
Which
Torrid
climatic
zone.
zone is this? Tropical area.
And torrid
Horizon.
Torrid zone, right? Very good. Then it required. Then it grown in tropical areas. The leading producers are India, Bangladesh are the leading producers of
jute,
jute.
leading producers are India and Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then as its color is yellowish brown and shiny, so it is called golden fiber. Product of jutes are costly, and what this golden fiber means its color is yellowish. You can see the picture, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here your golden color, golden yellow or yellow brown color, and it is shiny. They clear. So it is called golden fiber. And what about the climate suitable for the growth of jute? It
High
requires
temperature,
High
heavy
temperature,
rainfall,
heavy rainfall,
humid
humid
climate.
area.
Which are the important
heavy rainfall, humid climate.
torrid zone, right? Torrid zones always receive direct
rain.
sunlight, so it's very hot. Heavy rainfall is it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Known in tropical regions or torrid region. Then what about soil? Alluvial,
Alluvial
soil.
soil.
And leading producers are India and
India and
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
why it is called golden fiber?
Because it's
Because
coast
As
the
a
and its
coast
color is
is
yellowish
color is
brown.
costly. Other than that,
Yellowish.
Yellowish brown color
yellowish brown
And
color,
shiny.
shiny.
and shiny.
Yes. That's why it is called golden
Five.
fiber. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Can you tell me about jute? Climate.
It's also
Ma'am.
golden
Also
fiber.
known as golden
Full
fiber.
five.
Yes.
It's grown
It
in
requires
Grown in
alluvial soil
Alluvial soil. Has high
High
temperature and heavy rainfall
humid climate.
and humid.
I don't need mass answering. I will call Alan Joy. Alan, I can't see you. Sit up straight. Yes. Alan,
Ma'am, it is also known as golden fiber.
yes, very good. It's known as golden fiber. Why it is known as golden fiber?
Its color is yellowish brown
Yellowish
color,
brown and it is
shining.
yes. Then
Ma'am, these are grown well in alluvial soil.
grown in alluvial soil. Yes.
Ma'am, its temperature is heavy rainfall, humid climate.
Not its temperature. Climate suitable for the growth of jute as
High humidity,
high
heavy
temperature.
rain, high temperature, heavy rainfall, humid climate.
And humid climate.
These
That's
crops
why
are
it's grown in
tropical areas.
tropical areas.
India
These
and
are the
Bangladesh.
features of tropical regions, right? High temperature, heavy rainfall, and humid climate. So jute grow in tropical regions. Okay. Then what about the
Indian-
leading producers?
Ma'am, India and Bangladesh are leading producers.
India and
of
Bangladesh
jute.
are the leading producers of jute. Adnan, can you explain the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Jute was also known as the golden fiber.
Yes.
It grows well on alluvial soil.
Yes.
It requires high temperature, heavy rainfall, and humid climate.
Yes.
Jute is grown in the tropical areas. India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of
Very
jute.
good, very good. Abhishek, can you explain the same?
Yes, ma'am. Jute is also known as the golden fiber.
Why it is called golden fiber?
Ma'am, its color is yellowish brown and shining.
Yeah, is yellowish brown, shiny. So natural vegetable fiber, right? Okay.
Ma'am, it grows well in alluvial soil. It requires high temperature, heavy rainfall, and humid climate.
Yes.
This is grown in the tropical areas. The leading producers are India and Bangladesh.
Yes, yes. Leading producers are India and Bangladesh. Then we have completed fiber crops, both cotton and jute. Next, two beverage crops. We have two beverage crops. One is coffee and
Tea.
the one is tea. Then what about coffee? Coffee require. Have you seen coffee plantations?
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am.
all of you have seen coffee
Yes, ma'am.
plantations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what about climate required for warm and wet
Warm
climate?
and wet climate.
Climate.
Warm and
wet
climate.
Climate.
What
Wet
about
climate.
soil? Well-drained.
Drained, loamy soil.
Loamy soil.
No need to keep water, right? Loamy soil, well-drained loamy soil. No need to keep soil moisture. So that's why hill areas are more suitable for the growth of these crops. Both coffee and tea are grown in hilly areas, mountain areas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because of the slope, steep slopes. Then, leading producers, Brazil is the leading producer of coffee, and after that are followed by Colombia
And India.
this name is enough. Brazil is the leading producer of coffee. Yeah. Coffee. What about climate? Warm and
Wet climate.
warm and wet
Wet
climate.
climate.
The growth of coffee. Soil well-drained.
Well-drained loamy soil.
Hill areas or mountain areas are suitable
High slope.
for growth of
For the growth of
beverage
crop.
crops. Both coffee and tea. Then Brazil is the leading producer of.
Coffee.
Tea.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Tea. What about tea? It also need well-drained, loamy soil and gentle slope.
And slopes.
Then what about climate?
Cool climate and high rainfall.
Throughout the
The
year.
growth
Throughout
of
the year.
tender leaves. Cool climate and high rainfall.
High rainfall.
The climate required for the growth of tea. Soil, well-drained, loamy soil.
Soil.
So hills are more suitable for the growth of tea. Then one of the important feature of this, large number of laborers are required for this work to pick the leaves. Have you seen?
I'm in
Yes.
Munnar and
Yes, yes.
Munnar and all. There's a lot of tea
Sorry, Munnar and all.
Munnar and tea plantations are there.
Tea plantations are there.
A lot of it.
Have you seen
Yes.
Yes.
the people picking up
And they used to pluck.
Yes, ma'am.
They used to pluck the
Sorry?
they used to pluck the leaves.
Yeah. You have seen it, right?
Yes.
The leading producers of tea in the world, Kenya, India, China, Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
The best quality tea in the world. Is it clear? Tea?
Yes.
What about the climate required for suitable climate for the growth of tea?
Cool
Cold
climate
climate
and
and
well-drained,
Very
high rainfall.
high rainfall throughout the year.
Throughout the year for the growth of tender
It's
leaves.
tender leaves.
Then well-drained.
well-drained loamy soil
Then
and
the slopes.
Then
And
large,
gentle
Gentle
slope.
slopes.
large number of laborers are required for
To pick the leaves.
pick the leaves. Then leading producers
Kenya,
of
India,
Kenya,
Sri Lanka, China. Most quality in the world.
largest producer, the leading producers of tea in the world. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have
Yes, ma'am.
completed all the major crops. Right? To meet the requirement of growing population, large variety of crops are grown in the world. Right? These crops are classified into three major food crops, major fiber crops, and major beverage crops. Under food crops, we have discussed about rice, wheat, millets, and maize.
Rice, millets,
Then
maize.
under
jute,
fiber crops,
Cotton, jute.
cotton and jute,
beverage crops, coffee, and
tea and coffee.
clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope
Yes,
all
ma'am.
of you are writing lecture not in the format which I have given you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
First, name of the crop, then climate suitable
Climate.
for it, Then second,
Soil.
soil. Then
Then
third
leading
one,
Produce.
leading producers.
Producers.
of countries, right? Producers.
Yes, ma'am.
Leading producers of this crop, particular crop in the world. Clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Next, we are going to focus on a new concept, that is agricultural development. Agricultural development. Okay. Then when we discuss about major crops, I have given you a point that to meet the requirement of growing population, right? A large variety of crops are grown in the world, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but actually this, what we are producing is not enough to meet the requirement of growing population. So we have to increase farm production, right? To increase the needs of, or to satisfy growing population, needs of growing population, we have to increase our farm production. Clear? Then how can we increase it? That we are going to discuss under the heading agricultural development. How can we increase our, how can we develop agriculture? How can we increase farm production? Some methods are given here for us. Then increase the funds, main aim is to increase farm production to meet the growing demands of increasing population. Then some methods are given here, some suggestions are given here. 6 suggestions are given here. How to increase farm production.
And these
Clear?
all we have to write lecture note.
Yes.
Mm.
How to increase farm production. That we are going to explain or discuss under the heading agricultural development. It means how to increase farm production to meet the requirement of growing, or to meet the needs of growing population, increasing population. And what are they? First one is increasing the area under cultivation. What is the meaning of the sentence? Increasing the area under cultivation.
Ma'am, we
Areas are
It's cultivated in the
area should be
it will
increased.
One. What is the meaning of this word sentence? Increasing area under cultivation. Yes,
To
Michelle.
increase the area.
Increase the area. Use more land for cultivation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Use more land for cultivation. You can use the word land reclamation. You have learned this when we discuss the first lesson, land reclamation. Use a wasteland for agriculture. Use the barren land for agriculture, right? So increase the area of cultivation. What's the second point?
Increase the number of
Increase the number of crops grown.
Increase the number of crops grown in a year. When we discuss about the crops, we discuss some crops are grown, some plots, one crop is grown annually, right? One crop, a single crop is grown annually in some, or in some agricultural land. A single crop is grown annually, right? But here what you have to do? Increase the number of crops grown in annually. Then what's the third point for agriculture development? Improve the irrigation facilities. You know that some areas or some regions are facing scarcity of water, and the agriculture is not possible, will not be possible in those areas. So make sure that agriculture facilities are there, or improve agriculture facilities. Not agriculture facilities, irrigation facilities. Improve irrigation facilities. Then fourth point, use of fertilizers.
Ma'am, to increase.
Sorry?
Ma'am, the third one to increase.
Improve irrigation facilities. Irrigation. What is irrigation facility? What is irrigation? Dear children, stop writing and listen the class. After this, I'll give you time to copy all the points. Here, what is the meaning of irrigational facilities?
And
Ma'am, the equipment and all.
Watering the plants,
watering the plants.
crops in
So
intervals.
that we are
areas.
getting enough water, right?
Water. Yes.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
plants will grow. So improve irrigational facilities, construction of canals, water tanks, rainwater harvesting, all methods we can apply here. Then use of fertilizers to increase yield. Yield means product. Use organic chemical fertilizers to increase the production. First one, use high yielding variety of seeds. We have discussed this point in
That's
previous
right.
class.
Yes, ma'am. Good
HYV seeds, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you
Yes.
remember?
Yes, ma'am.
High yielding variety of
Hiding variety of
seeds.
seeds.
Better quality seeds than normal one to increase the production, to get more crops, to get more grains. Use high yielding variety of seeds. Then machinery. Use machines. Sixth point, use machineries and farm. These are the 5 methods, 5 suggestions to increase farm production. Is it clear?
Yes.
And what is the ultimate aim of this agriculture development? What is the aim of agriculture? What does word meant agriculture development? To provide food security.
Food security.
Make sure that all people are getting enough food and there will be no poverty. What is poverty?
Ma'am, poor.
And poor.
Ma'am,
There should be no
some
poor
people
and
will
rich.
not get
Lack of food, scarcity of food, right?
scarcity of food.
What is poverty? What is poverty?
Scarcity.
Poor.
Poverty
Ma'am,
means
less food.
this is the
Less.
first time you're seeing this word, you're hearing
No,
this
ma'am.
word.
No, ma'am.
Poverty means, and what is poverty? Tell me what is poverty. You learned this word.
Ma'am, they
Previous.
And
have
there is no
less
rich or a
amount.
poor.
Ma'am, scarcity of
Scarcity of
food and
food. Then what is the aim of agriculture development? Food security. What is the aim of agriculture development?
Food security.
Security. As we discussed in the beginning, to meet the needs or to meet the requirement of growing population, you have to increase farm production. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Then agriculture, under the heading agriculture, we are discussing
Agriculture
About-
development.
how can we increase agriculture
Agriculture
or
production.
farm production. Okay. To meet the requirement of growing population, a large variety of crops are grown in the world, right? So
Yes.
how to increase the production? Variety of crops are grown there, but it's not enough to meet the requirement of growing population, right? Our population is growing day by day. So what we have to do? Increase farm production. Then how can we increase our farm production? These are some methods, suggestions to improve farm production or agriculture production. First one, increasing area of cultivation. Increase the area or land for cultivation. Then use more number of crops. Third one, improve irrigation facilities. Use fertilizers. Use good seeds or better seeds, high yielding variety of seeds. Use machinery in cultivation. Is it clear?
Ma'am, third one, I didn't understand. Third point.
Improving irrigation facilities. What is irrigation facilities? Irrigation.
Ma'am, giving the plants water. If the all plants get the water.
properly.
And the supply of
yeah,
water for all the plants.
Supply of water in agriculture land. That is
Land.
irrigational facilities. Right? Supply of water in agriculture land. Some areas, some region face scarcity of water, facing the problem scarcity of water.
Water.
Right? And in the area, if water will not be there, what will happen? The particular region is not getting enough water.
Plants will
facing
not
The
be
plants will
grown.
dry and it will never grow.
It's not possible in that region, right?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So make sure that how can we improve irrigation facilities, construction of canals, right? Rainwater harvesting.
First thing, drip
All these are some of the
Drip irrigation,
irrigation,
sprinklers,
Sprinklers.
that in agriculture land we to avoid loss of water, runoff of water, right?
Yes, yes.
Then this land, agriculture field, make sure that all these agriculture lands are getting enough water for the growth of plants.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Then use of fertilizers. Use more fertilizer, organic or chemical fertilizers to increase the product. In variety seeds, high yielding variety of seeds, and use more machinery. And what is the aim of the agriculture development? What is the aim? Security, right?
Yes.
All people in the world are getting enough food. No, make sure that there will be no poverty. Actually, we have enough food, right? We are wasting food. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is it good? Wasting food?
No, ma'am.
Bad.
Then we don't waste, right?
Yes.
Many people in the world are facing poverty, scarcity of food, facing the problem poverty. Poverty is one of the problem our world is facing. Clear?
Yes.
Agriculture development is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Next topic is farm in India and farm in. What is heading in your textbook? Next topic, farm in.
Farm in the USA.
Farm in the USA and
USA.
From
Indian USA.
India.
farm in USA and India, right?
India.
I'm giving you a homework. Read these two topics, farm in India and farm in USA, right?
Yes.
And write your findings in your lecture note.
Can you repeat again?
Ma'am, what? I didn't
Next
understand.
topic is farm in India and
Farming.
I can't speak louder. Okay. Farm in India and farm in the USA, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You should read these two portions, farm in India and farm in USA, and find out the points. Read and understand.
Important points.
Yeah, you find out what is it's a comparison between two farms in India and the USA, right?
Yes.
Ma'am.
You have to write this comparison in your lecture note. Your findings in your lecture note.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
It is given like a story. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So it's
Okay,
very
ma'am.
simple and easy for you. Read and try to write, try to do comparison between two countries.
Okay, ma'am.
Farming
Okay, ma'am.
in
Ma'am,
India
both
and
no.
farming in USA, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Write your findings in your lecture note. Next class, I'll ask you to read it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
You do it?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Don't keep it for the next day.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Then,
Thank you.
what
Thank you,
all
ma'am.
points we discussed
Thank you,
today?
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
What all points we discussed today?
Today,
I'll ask.
Jute.
Yes, I'll ask. We discussed about
Fabric
fiber crops,
crops.
right?
Fiber
Cotton and jute.
Jute.
Okay, summary of the two topics.
Ma'am.
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 Shankari,
Yes, ma'am.
about fiber crops, jute and cotton.
In cotton, the climate required is high temperature and light rainfall and bright sunshine. Then, soil required is black and alluvial soil. Then,
And leading
the
producers.
leading producers are China, USA, India, etc.
Yes, very good.
And it is one of the main raw materials for the cotton
One of the main
industries.
raw material to cotton textile.
Textile industries.
Yes.
Then jute. It is also
I hope
known
you
as
understood the meaning of raw material, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is raw material?
Main materials.
Yeah, the actual material, right?
Yes.
Material.
Jute.
then
Actual
ma'am
product.
jute.
Yes.
Jute. Then it is known as the golden fiber
Yeah. Why it is known as golden fiber?
because it has a yellowish brown color and it also shines.
Then
Then the climate required is high temperature, heavy rainfall and humid climate.
yes.
Then the soil is alluvial soil.
Yes.
Then it is grown in tropical areas. The leading producers are India, Bangladesh.
Yes. Very good. Then who will answer on who will summarize the next point? Beverage crops. Yes. Start. Beverage crops. Tea and coffee. Who can
Ma'am.
answer? Yes.
Ma'am.
Mitu. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Mitu.
Coffee.
Yes.
The climate require warm and wet climate. The soil well-drained loamy soil.
Yes.
The suitable for growing of the crops in high slope,
Hill slope.
hill slope.
Slopes are more suitable.
Then.
The leading products in Brazil,
Leading
followed by
producers. Mithun, leading producers.
leading producers,
Ma'am.
followed by
Producers in which country?
Brazil,
Yes.
followed by Colombia and India. Then tea.
Yes.
It is a beverage crops grown on
What do you mean by beverage crop?
Drinking crop.
Beverage crop.
Ma'am. Drink.
natural
Drinking.
Drinking crop.
drinking
Yes. Drinking crop.
drinking.
I've explained this, right?
Yes.
Beverage crop is drinking crop.
Yes, ma'am.
There.
The climate, cool climate and well distributed high rainfall throughout the year.
Sorry. Read it again.
The climate require cool climate and well distributed
You
high
can
rainfall.
say like this. You can no need to learn all the word sentences from the textbook. Cool climate and high rainfall, right?
Yes. For the growth of his tender leaf. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
The soil here, well-drained loamy soil.
Well-drained loamy soil for both coffee and cotton. Well-drained loamy soil, right? No need to keep water moisture. No need to keep water. No need to retain water. Well-drained loamy soil. Then leading producers in the world. Leading producers in the
Kenya,
world are
India.
India, okay.
China, Sri
Then,
Lanka.
but the
Labor
labor intensive, right? Large
yes,
number of
large number required
laborers are required to
for
pick
picking the leaf.
for picking the leaves. Okay, very good. Then what about agriculture development? Who will summarize the topic agriculture development? Prarthana. Okay, very good, Prarthana.
Ma'am, increase farm production in order to meet the growing demands of population.
Yes.
Increase area under cultivation.
Yes.
Increase the number of crops grown in a year.
Yes.
Improving irrigational facilities in order
Yes.
to increase yield per acre.
Yes. You can
Use
say in your own words, right?
Yes.
Increase the area of cultivation. Like that, simplify the point and tell me.
Use of fertilizers
Use of more fertilizers.
to increase yield.
Yes.
Use of high yielding variety of seeds.
Yes.
Use machinery
Yes.
cultivation.
Use machinery in cultivation agriculture. Okay. I hope all of you understood this topic, right?
Yes,
What is the main aim of agriculture development?
Food security.
To provide food security.
Security. Very good.
Security.
The ultimate aim of agriculture development is food security. Make sure that all people are getting enough food and there will be no poverty in the world, right?
Yes.
I'll be sending notes and go through the lesson. Study well.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Homework.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
The next class.